Today I'm going to show you how to create the lockback plane. To begin, fold the plane in half and open it back up. Fold the top right corner to the center crease. Now, repeat the last step with the other corner. Fold down the top peak about 1 inch before the bottom edge. Again, fold both top corners to the middle crease. Good. Now take this extra piece here and lock down both flaps. Next, fold the plane in half away from you and it should look like this. Grab a ruler and fold down the first wing about 1 inch from the belly of the plane. Repeat with the other wing. Now, fold up the edge of the wing about a half an inch from the edge like this and grab a pair of scissors for the next step. Finally, cut a slit at the tail end of each wing like I'm doing here. And this is what the lockback plane should look like.